Exercise 7.2 problem number 1. Find the total surface area and the lateral surface area of the cuboid whose dimensions are length is equal to 20 cm, breadth is equal to 15 cm, height is equal to 8 cm. So the problem belongs to the page number 257. So already in the example itself we see how to find the lateral surface area and total surface area of the cuboid. So first you have to write the solution. Here L is equal to 20 cm, B is equal to 15 cm and H is equal to 8 cm. So lateral surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 into L plus B into H square meter, which is equal to 2 into the value of L is 20 plus the value of breadth, that is B is 15 into 8. So which is equal to 2 into 20 plus 15 is 35. So 35 into 8. So next 2 into 35 into 8, it gives 560 square meter or meter square. So if you want to do the calculation, you can do the calculation in your left hand side. That is 35 into 2, 5 2s are 10, so 0, remainder 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So 70 into 8, so 0, 7 7s are 49, 8 7s are 56. So 560 square meter. So it is a simple calculation. So that's why I skip this. Directly I write the answer. Therefore, the lateral surface area of the cuboid is equal to 560 centimeter square. Next, you have to find the total surface area of the cuboid, which is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH square units, which is equal to 2 into 20 into 15 plus 15 into 8 plus 8 into 20 square centimeter. So, which is equal to 2 into 20 into 15 is 300 plus 15 into 8 is 120 plus 8 into 20 is 160 square centimeter. So which is equal to 2 into 300 plus 120 plus 160 is 580 square centimeter. So 580 into 20 is nothing but 1160 centimeter square. Therefore, the total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 1160 centimeter square. Next, problem number 2. The dimensions of a cuboidal box are 6 meter into 400 centimeter into 1.5 meter. Find the total cost of painting and its entire outer surface at the rate of rupees 22 per meter square. So the problem belongs to the page number 257. So solution, the length of the cuboidal box, that is L is equal to 6 meter and the breadth of the cuboid box B is equal to 400 centimeter. So you should convert all in terms of meter. So 400 centimeter is nothing but 4 meter. That is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then height of the cuboid box H is equal to 1.5 meter. So you have to find the total surface area of the cuboid. So TSA of the cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH square units, which is equal to 2 into 6 into 4 plus 4 into 1.5 plus 1.5 into 6 square units. So which is equal to 2 into 6 4s are 24 plus 4 into 1.5 is 6 plus 1.5 into 6 is 9. So which is equal to 2 into 24 plus 6 plus 9 is 39. So 2 into 39 is 78. So 78 square meter or meter square. So total surface area of the cuboid is 78 meter square or square meter. So now we find the total surface area of the cuboidal box. Then you have to find the cost of painting its entire outer surface area. Cost of painting for 1 square meter is rupees 22. So total cost of painting is equal to rupees 78 into 22, which is equal to rupees 1760. So total cost of painting of the entire area is 1760 rupees. Problem number 3 in exercise 7.2. The dimension of a hall is 10 meter into 9 meter into 8 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls and ceiling at the rate of rupees 8.50 per meter square. So the problem belongs to the page number 257. So solution: length of the hall L is equal to 10 meter, breadth of the hall B is equal to 9 meter, and height of the hall H is equal to 8 meter. So area to be whitewashed is equal to LSA, that is lateral surface area of the hall, plus ceiling of the building. So which is equal to 2 into L plus B into H plus LB square units. Why we are taking the lateral surface area means we just leaving the top and bottom portion, you get the lateral surface area. Plus we just including the ceiling of the building, not the floor of the building. So we are choosing like this. So which is equal to 2 into 10 plus 9 into 8 plus 10 into 9 square meter. So which is equal to 2 into 10 plus 9 is 19. So 19 into 8 plus 10 into 9 is 90. So which is equal to 2 into 19 into 8 is 304 plus 90, which is equal to 394 square meter. Now we find the area to be whitewashed is 394 square meter. But cost of whitewashing for 1 square meter is rupees 8.50. So cost of whitewashing for 394 square meter is 394 into 8.50, which is equal to 3349. Therefore, the total cost of whitewashing is equal to rupees 3349 rupees. Next, problem number 4 in exercise 7.2. Find the total surface area and lateral surface area of the cube whose sides is first subdivision is 8 meter and second subdivision is 21 centimeter, third subdivision is 7.5 centimeter. So this is very easy because you have to find the total surface area and lateral surface area of the cube. The problem belongs to page number 257. So solution: first one 8 meter. So side of the cube A is equal to given, that is 8 meter. We know the formula for total surface area of the cube is equal to 6A square. Because it has 6 sides, all the sides are equal. So which is equal to 6A square units, which is equal to 6 into 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. So 64 into 6 you get 384 meter square. The next one is lateral surface area of the cube is equal to 4A square units, which is equal to 4 into 8 into 8, which is equal to 4 into 8 8s are 64, which is nothing but 256 meter square. So now we find the total surface area of the cube is 384 meter square and lateral surface area of the cube is 256 meter square. So similarly we just do the remaining two subdivision. Fourth one, second subdivision 21 centimeter. The problem belongs to same page number 257. So side of the cube A is equal to 21 centimeter. Total surface area of the cube is equal to 6A square units, which is equal to 6 into 21 into 21, which is equal to 6 into 21 into 21 is 441, which is equal to 6 into 441 is 2646 centimeter square. Then lateral surface area of the cube is equal to 4A square units, which is equal to 4 into 21 into 21 is equal to 4 into 441 is equal to 1764 centimeter square. Then problem number 4, third subdivision, 7.5 centimeter. So side of a cube A is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Total surface area of the cube is equal to 6a square, which is equal to 6 into 7.5 into 7.5, which is equal to 337.5 centimeter square. Then lateral surface area of the cube is equal to 4a square units, which is equal to 4 into 7.5 into 7.5, which is equal to 225 centimeter square. Problem number 5 in exercise 7.2. If the total surface area of the cube is 2400 centimeter square, then find its lateral surface area. So already we see the same model problem in worked out example. The problem belongs to page number 257. So solution, we know the total surface area is given as 2400 centimeter square. So formula for total surface area of the cube is 6a square is equal to 2400. So a square is equal to 2400 by 6. So now we have to find the value of a square. So we can cancelling 6 and 2400, you get 400 times, because 6 4s are 24, so 400. So now we find the value of a square. Next you have to find the lateral surface area of the cube, which is equal to 4a square units. Now only we find the value of a square, which is equal to 4 into 400 centimeter square, which is equal to 4 4s are 16. So you get 1600 centimeter square. So we find the lateral surface area of the cube is 1600 centimeter square. Problem number 6 in exercise 7.2. A cubical container of side 6.5 meter is to be painted on the entire outer surface. So find the area to be painted and the total cost of painting it at the rate of ₹24 per meter square. So the problem belongs to the page number 257. So solution, the side of the cube, because it is cubical container, side of the cube A is equal to 6.5 meter. So total surface area of the cube is equal to 6a square units, which is equal to 6 into 6.5 into 6.5. We get 6 into 6.5 into 6.5 is 253.5 meter square. So next, the cost of painting for 1 square meter is equal to ₹24. So cost of painting for 253.5 square meter is equal to 253.5 into 24, which is nothing but ₹6084. Problem number 7. 3 identical cubes of side 4 cm are joined end to end. Find the total surface area and lateral surface area of the new resulting cuboid. So 3 identical cubes. In example, we see 2 identical cubes. Here we see 3 identical cubes are joined together to form a cuboid. So you have to find the lateral surface area and total surface area of the new resulting cuboid. So solution, join the 3 identical cubes, we get a new cuboid. So length of the cuboid L is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12 centimeter. Then breadth of the cuboid B is equal to 4 centimeter and height of the cuboid H is equal to 4 centimeter. So total surface area of the new cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH square units, which is equal to 12 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 12. So 12 4s are 48. So 2 into 48 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 4 into 12 is 48, which is equal to 2 into 112. So the total surface area of the new cuboid is 224 centimeter square. So next you have to find the lateral surface area. So lateral surface area of the new cuboid is equal to 2 into L plus B into H square units, which is equal to 2 into 12 plus 4 into 4, which is equal to 2 into 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 into 4. So 4 2s are 8, 8 into 16 is 128 centimeter square. So now we find the total surface area of the new cuboid is equal to 224 centimeter square, and lateral surface area of the new cuboid is equal to 128 centimeter square. So that's all students. Up to this exercise 7.2 is over. So next video we are going to see some worked out example and exercise 7.3. I hope you are all understand the concept of total surface area and lateral surface area of the cube as well as cuboid. So thank you students. Have a nice day.